We'll have to wait and see what will happen on Monday. And there could be some strong reason we should look into that. Today we were hopeful that at least, the House goes on well. There'll be at least one or two bills that will be introduced. But unfortunately it didn't happen. So let us see on Monday and the next few working days we have. Let us try to maximize the number of bills that will be passed in the session. I have all the hopes. I have all the hopes because there are some important bills.
Yes.
They have to be passed. And business-wise also we should have a good number of business hours that should be conducted. And because, what happens in all these situations is the entire country is preparing itself for the parliament sessions, be it Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. So many questions are being raised by the honorable members of parliament. And for behind each question, you can expect about 200 IAS officers, another 2,000 subordinate officers across the country preparing to prepare a reply for that particular question. So much of hard work goes into it. Midnight oil is spent. A lot of data is dug out. And it is for the purposes of keeping the people informed, keeping the country informed. And when everything is ready and suddenly that opportunity is not given for the Honorable Minister to speak or to reply to the questions. So I think as a country we are losing that precious time. So anything on sports around this turn of the century, this time of the century is very important because India will be the eligible candidate to host Olympics. And to be eligible to host Olympics, we need to have certain protocols in place. So we should be eligible. So the eligibility protocols we have to meet. So whatever is going to be brought to the parliament for discussions, that has a very serious implication for India to be a capable and eligible candidate to host the Olympics. So that is a very serious matter.